What's up, Goon Squad? We are back out here another day as usual. It is raining today, but we're gonna go check out the junkyard because we called them in. They said they do have this truck and they do have some parts, so we're gonna go see what they got. Back in the junkyard here, coming across a couple Fords. We're looking for a newer F-250. Is this? Yeah, it's an F-150. Same front glass. I wonder if the doors are the same because we need that passenger glass, you know? I don't know what this is here. It's chopped in half. I like me old 5.9.
Disrespect.
Oh man, this is just pitiful.
The cars that he has on this lot are the ones that still have motors. And
Got a Prius there.
I know y'all boys love Priuses. Get you one.
Got a Ram 2500 there. Got a Dodge here.
Big old bucket. Hard to spot a new body style.
Right. Especially because they're all smashed. Homer H2.
Fiberglass.
Here's a Ford F-250 right ahead. Some nice wheels. Fuels.
Different type of tires on it. One's totally jacked up. I'm pretty sure the other side's.
It's got like a 6-inch rough country. Got some big old springs.
There's a few Fords back there. Look like that's where his Fords are at.
Let's go.
I'm glad it's not raining hard.
I know, right? That looks like a newer Ford right next to this one.
Is this one?
No, right there. Oh no, it's an older Ford.
Like this one?
Ford Edge. You got a couple trucks up there too.
Somebody be jacking them Cummins emblems. Where's your Fords at, Randy?
Old Randy hiding his new Fords. Yep, that's the frame we purchased.
I love walking around junk trucks.
I know, right? That's awesome. Look at this trailer here. Yo, what if you actually...
A dually trailer, a dually axle trailer.
What if you turned that into a trailer and like...
They got a brand new GMC back there, you know, might have brand new
Yeah,
trucks.
it may just be like somewhere random. Can't seem to find the Ford we're looking for. A bunch of big old axles though. Got a slop here. So we come across a Corvette. I don't think he has the truck we're looking for. But it's just real interesting how these things are made. So we're just kind of looking at it for future reference. If we do ever purchase one of these and it's wrecked, it's all fiberglass back here. That's pretty cool. Most of this car is fiberglass.
Everything's fiberglass.
Doors, even the doors?
Yeah.
Wow. The doors are fiberglass. The rain's coming down, so we're gonna get out of here. Another Jeep here, burnt. Hey, it's a good windshield frame if somebody needs it. We're out of here, guys. Nothing that we could find that we needed, so peace out. So we just seen somebody that flew off the ditch pretty much, so we're gonna go, we got a chain, we just passed him, so we're gonna go back and see if he still needs help. So we're gonna try to pull him out. So that's a 2-wheel drive there, so we're gonna give him a pull because that couldn't pull it. He said that somebody ran him off the road.
Oh shit. You're good.
So we found the doors that we're going to use for this F-250. We tried to get some that were the same color, but we just couldn't track them down. So these are undamaged. This is actually from an F-150 from a 2015 and up. It'll work for the 2017, exact same door pretty much. So we're going to get them removed and then we're going to go pay for them. Yeah. This is the professional here, Hector. He does everything. No damage to anything. He never puts a scratch on the doors or anything. Any part that he removes, he does it professionally.
Yes. All right. You know who got over here for not making down here? It's me.
You, good job. That's why you work here.
Yep.
You're the best.
It's money.
Oh yeah.
You know Bobogan lips saying it's money.
Yeah.
You know, what's your name is Bobogan lips?
Tim?
Yeah, little Tim.
Alright, so we're gonna prep these doors here. We're just gonna take out all like the trim pieces and pretty much everything else and just get ready to scuff it because we are gonna prepare these doors for paint. So this door comes apart fairly easy. All these trim pieces just slide out to this hole here. to get the handle out, but the window's in the way, so we kind of just wired something up to pick it up. Got the jumper box here, and we just found the connections, and the window's going up. Alright, got it unbolted. Should just pop right out, I believe. How's this come out? Alright, so when removing these clips, they're real easy to break, so what you want to do is pretty much, like I show you here, get you a sharp tool like so, start from one side, put it under there, and just pretty much just spin it. And they come off pretty easy. So he just started the scuffing process. Alright, so we pretty much got all of this door scuffed. Here we put the door panel up, and we're just kind of trying to see where, how far up we have to scuff. As you can see, we're doing pretty good here.
Alright guys, so I'm going to hang this door up like this, lift it up about yay high, and have it suspended, clean it off, blow it off, wax and grease remove it, tape it up, what doesn't need to get painted, and we'll get to painting.
Alright, so we just got done wax and grease removing it, so now we're just going to tape off everything that's not needing to be painted. Alright, so we got the doors taped up, everything that doesn't need to be taped, like that little hinge or latch there, and then that speaker and a couple other holes. Same with that door. And then we're throwing on just a filter over this suction fan here, because we don't want any overspray on the cars outside. And we are going to be spraying with low pressure, so we're not going to do any tarps around us, so I think we should be good with just painting the inside of this door. We got a tack cloth it, which just pretty much picks up all the fine particles of dust that are just sitting loosely, so I'm going to do that right quick. Never sprayed some metallic, have we? So it's going to be a first time. It's going to be awesome. Alrighty guys, we're done with the inside of these doors. We got 3 coats of paint and 2 coats of clear, so it's looking pretty good. We're just going to let them dry overnight, going to let them hang, and then we're going to put them on the truck, and then we're going to take them to the shop that's going to paint them. They got a nice paint booth, and they got professional sprayers there, professional workers, and the whole thing. So that's where we're going to take them, and after that, we're going to start putting the truck back together. We ordered a few parts like the grill, the tail light. Stay tuned guys, like and subscribe, leave some comments down below, and always, peace out.